How to say a book and one book in Kurdish. If you want to say a book, there is a book in the room, we say the odeye pertukek heye. This ek is our suffix for saying a book, and in there are sentences we are using this form. I'm taking a book from the room, but this one is a verb sentence. When you have a verb sentence, you use ek plus this object suffix. We call this one oblique case suffix as je odeye pertukek digram. You see, this time in the verb sentence you have this a extra. There is one book in the room. The odeye de yek pertuk heye. But if you want to say one book, we say yek pertuk. If you want to say a book, we need to say pertukek. And if you want to say a book in a there are sentence, this time we would say pertukek.